so long, guys. So stay still there, guys. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Can you see me there, guys? Ayan, this one. Can you see me? I'm on the screen, moving. I think it's ready now. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ayun guys, I have this apps, screen recorder. Ayan. Um, Today I'm going to show you how to move videos or photos from your phone in your smartphone Android. Because in my phone, guys, I always have uh, full storage. I always get this box saying that my storage is very full, so I need to delete my videos. So yan guys, so I went to the shop why it does like that, and they said because I only got a 64 gigabytes. That's the reason why my smartphone is always getting full. So they told me to buy SD cards. Yeah, and I did. So I'll have now a SD card, 500 something gigabytes. So I have enough now. And they show me how to transfer uh, videos from my storage in my phone to the SD card. So now if anyone there having trouble their phones, getting or always deleting their videos because their storage is full now. So I'll show you how this one it will help you to get more storage from your phone. So, stay tuned guys. Okay. Ayan guys. Now let's start from the beginning. So, you open the phone gallery. Ayan, this one. Oh, not that one. Am I already starting? I think I make it. I don't know. I think it's not on yet. I'll try this one. So, this one. Am I already started? I don't know. Maybe I haven't starting it yet. Ayan. So, I touch this gallery. No, not that one. Remove this. Remove that one. Okay, this gallery. That's my phone gallery. And then, the right, three dots on the right side. This one. And then, create album. Okay, create album. So, put the title of your album that the videos you are going to move from the internal storage of your phone to the SD card. So, let me try this. I'm going to put what my videos gonna be, or what my title is. I'm thinking. Alright, so I'm going to put food. Okay, food. New album. Food. Alright, food. Ayan, so in this one here, there is an internal storage. So, touch that one. So, we change it to SD cards because you're going to transfer your videos from your internal storage to your SD card. So that's SD card now. So touch this create. Ayan. So let me check if it's there already. Okay, there is already food. This one, a new one. So now we're going to go to the camera. The camera, this one. Ayan. So, I'm going to have a look. Where is my food here? Because the title of my new album is food. It's all about food. It's here. It's all about food here, guys. So just the food that I cook, I'm going to transfer. I start from the beginning here. Ayan. So let's start here, guys. One. No, not that one. I'm going to touch it a few seconds. Like that. So now there is a chick. And then that one, chick the circle there. Chick. Because that's the food. I'm going to transfer. Oh, that's a yummy food there, guys. It's a crab. I haven't uploaded yet. Ayan. So, ayan. That one there. So, I'm just gonna transfer this one also, guys, because I think that's my continuation vlog for my food. Ayan. That's it. Ayan siya. Ayan. Just check the one that you're going to transfer. We'll move to the SD card. Ayan. Ayan siya. And more. And more this. Ayan. I'm just going to move this all. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So that's the last one, guys. So next step is to going to these 3 dots on the right side. That's that one again. And the second one on top is move to album. Under the capital album. So move your videos that you're check there, you move to the SD card. If you touch that one, now touch it, and then where is it? So you're going to find the album that you just made. So this one here, the food. So you touch food. Ayan. So now it's moving items to food. Ayan. So we just wait, guys. We're just waiting for it till it's 100% or finished. So, ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Hope you are getting there. Hope you understand what I'm saying. This is my first time to do a screen recorder video, guys. I still learning about it, guys. So we just wait for this items transferring to the SD card. Ayan siya, guys. Now it's getting there. We just wait. Don't get ayan. 46% now. Ayan siya. 46%. Ayan, nakita nyo yung notification. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. We just wait. It's take longer, guys. There is 46 items there transferring to the SD card. That's why it takes so long, guys. So stay still there, guys. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Can you see me there, guys? Ayan, this one. Can you see me? I'm on the screen, moving. Ayan, I'm on the screen, moving there around. Ayan. Ayan, I'm just playing my phone, guys. So, hope you can see me there, guys. Ayan. Can you see me? It's very small. Ayan, 90% or 99% na. Now, it's done. Move completed. So, we'll check, guys. Okay, we're gonna check where it is. So, let's go back. Ayan. It's done, guys. So, let's go back here again. Ayan, so we're going to touch the gallery, my phone gallery, or my videos galleries, my photos galleries. Ayan, so, ayan, what's the name that we put a new album before? I can't remember. Can you remember, guys? Yes, yeah. Is it food? Ayan, so let's check where's the food, guys. Ayan, where is it? Ayan, I just making, to make you, not get bored with my video there, guys. So, where it is, I think it's in the last one. There you go. There's a new word there, guys. So let's touch it because it's a smart touch. It's a touch screen. Ayan, so we just touch, not click because it's a touch screen. So here we go. So when we after that I touched the food album, my new album. The title is Food. So here's the videos that I created, guys. So there you go. It's moved there, guys. Ayan. It's moved. Ayan siya, guys. It's moving. Ayan. So yan, guys. So hope this tips or ideas or information from my video to everyone there watching. Hope this help a lot for your problem in your storage there in your phones. Ayan, guys, this will help you a lot. I hope so. Ayan, and then yeah. So hope you are liking my video or hit that subscribe button, and please share if you like this video. Ayan, and please leave comments as well. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for you to notified for my next videos. Thank you and bye-bye!